Why am I so sweaty? Let's cut the fluff. Niching down, creating a polished brand, or waiting until you're ready is keeping you broke. If you're tired of following advice that hasn't gotten results, you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you a step-by-step game plan to making $1,000 this month. Using the skills and experience you already have, drop your email below to get access to my Zero Marketing Income Formula, a free training that reveals how you can start making money without spending a dime on marketing or building a website. Now let's get into it. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a niche to make money online. The market doesn't care about your niche. It cares about how you can solve its problems. And I would argue, just to be yourself, your authentic self. People have many facets, just like diamonds. You guys are unique. And instead of wasting time trying to box yourself into one niche, focus on the real issues you can fix with your unique skills and experiences. Stop chasing trends and asking yourself, what problems can I solve right now with what I know? Now, there's a simple exercise that I have within my program, but let's list 3 problems right now. Pick one that's your course topic. Remember, the market pays for results, not for you to fit into some arbitrary category. So what does that mean? What have you done? What have you achieved before? What do people come to you and ask for on the daily? Now, forget the idea that course creation takes weeks. You only need 48 hours to outline, record, and launch a course that delivers a specific result. Now, especially with my guidance and blueprint at the Course Income Accelerator, your goal isn't to create an encyclopedia. It's to provide a quick win. Think about this as one outcome, one reward, and from start A to start B. What might this look like? Beauty editing, running ads for service-based businesses. This might be one simple skill. This might just be your grandma's sweet apple crisp. Does your grandma make apple crisp? Oh, mine does. Forget the idea that the course creation is going to take you this long because, like I said, your goal here is not to create that encyclopedia. Create your win. All right, so here's your action plan. Plan your course in 30 minutes. Focus on delivering one transformation or solving one problem or one transformational skill, okay? Spend the next day recording short, actionable videos using your phone or screen recorder. I use ScreenRec.com because it's free and simple to use. I teach how to do all the quick edits. Anyways, this isn't about perfection, it's about speed and impact. Done is better than perfect. No fancy tech or editing needed, just clear, actionable content. You can even just record this in one take and post the video. You can do it on a screen record over Google Slides. You're not learning After Effects. Great for you if you have an audience, that'll help your sales, but you don't have to be a creator. You can be a busy mom, dad, college kid, professional. That part doesn't matter. Your walk of life, your skill set doesn't matter. You've been told you need a massive audience and a complex sales funnel. That's not what you really need to make money. What you need to make money is multiple streams of revenue and multiple little courses and a strategy, expert guidance, and me to help you get there. And it's exactly what I did in my free time running a creative marketing agency once per month. I would set a day, get a course done. I got so quick at it, but sometimes it did take me into the next day a little bit. I sacrificed a bit, but it was to get a course portfolio online. While doing this on Udemy, which actually Udemy was thought of as not a good place to put courses, or a lot of people were like, oh, the earnings and blah, blah, blah. If you're doing self-promotion, you get the lion's share of the money. If Udemy is taking most of your money, they're doing all the marketing. Check out my Zero Marketing Income Formula. We leverage marketplaces with a blueprint and strategies that work. Yay! Root for me because I need you. But more importantly, if you're just here to collect some free knowledge and get moving, great. I'm not going to hold anything back. It doesn't matter. If I can help you, great. I have a simple sales funnel and a website for Course Income Accelerator. That's because that goes back to this complex YouTube channel that I probably spend all too much time on, all to just realize that, hey, I want to be my self. I want to promote stuff how I want to promote stuff. I want to create stuff I like. And in the process, hey, I'll build an audience and make money together. The fastest way to make your first $1,000 is through direct outreach. As a matter of fact, I did not need this website and a sales funnel to make sales. I created courses and realized I was doing a blueprint, research and positioning the videos, and then the way, So it was a whole thing, and that's what I teach more at Course Accelerator. But it was really great to leverage course marketplaces in the beginning and then branch out from there and to get even more results, which was just like the reason why I'm like, dude, let's help other people in the world do this, because I was a busy entrepreneur just to do that, an aspiring course creator at the time. We've helped thousands of students online. You could do it too. Create, post, come back to us, and we're going to talk to you, and we're going to keep you motivated as well through the whole process. The fastest way to make your first $1,000 is through course creation. You can set it and forget it, or use one of my income multipliers within the program, or you can use one of the income multipliers taught to start making money right away. That will start generating you thousands really quickly. But if you just wanted to set it and forget it and keep stacking out programs and use my trainings as a blueprint, great. You're never left in the dust, because I communicate through email. I have it set for busy beginners because it's what I believe in. I've made the barrier to entry extremely low, because in any business model, there's a huge upfront risk. As your life experience, skills, passion, hobbies, interests, whatever, are a gold mine. You are more important and you are more skilled than you think. All you have to do is be a few steps ahead of somebody to help them get to where they want to go. And that's all you're doing, is bridging the information gap, okay? You have desired outcome. This person wants to get, boom, your course. Do you have to be the top professional to teach online? No, you do not. You just have to make something halfway decent and complete something from step A to step B. Help them get one skill under their belt or a simple transformation that will help impact their life. You've been paralyzed by the idea that you need to niche down, when really you are the niche. You are holding yourself back and costing yourself money, tripping over your own feet, saying, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start next week. I'll do it when I have enough money. This program is designed as a low barrier to entry, so for the people who would normally make those excuses can take action right now. So if you're sitting on this gold mine, ask yourself, why are you not taking the steps right now to leverage your skills into creating diverse courses to solve different problems? And here's the next thing you're going to get really excited about. The majority of people purchasing courses are beginners. Oh my goodness. So how great is it that I have a course that even if you're an established professional, you're an entrepreneur in 2-3 businesses, that's fine. You can take your skill set. The course is taught with the beginner in mind. So you don't have any audio video problems. You don't have any editing issues. Here's the other limiting belief course creators think. They need to teach everything to help somebody. If that's going to take you a year and a half, you're creating the wrong course. If you're trying to create something like that, maybe look at doing your own high ticket sales, your own web hosting, self-hosting, and have your own email funnel with automations. And the course portfolio is the way to go. No matter your limiting belief, Udemy is great for beginners. It's free to start. The blueprint and the results, and then for you to ask me questions, is why we bring students in. Sometimes you just need to be motivated and you just need to be reminded, just to make it like a low barrier to entry for everybody. As far as price, the other money we make online, the other money we do in a creative agency, we're good. But we just want to get as many people in as we can to start helping them get results so they can start being our testimonials as well. Add to the ones we have to update on our website still. Your first course is just the start. You do not have to make it hours long. I teach the fast course method and how to actually still do your research, so you're covering the key points in other top courses, but you're still providing really great work. It doesn't matter if you're creating something somebody else has already created. The point is, you're unique. You have a different viewpoint, perspective. Everybody has different goals and beliefs. So you are going to bring something unique to the market. Get happy because getting deposits in your bank account from something you did once versus you go to work once, you get paid once, that part of your life is over. You're there's no longer any type of enterprise value in that, to just meaning like you're not getting paid over and over. You have no unlimited income potential from that. Even to this day, when I take jobs I don't like, shooting commercials, or I'm out doing photography or running ads, or it's just like companies or brands or things that I can't get excited about, that reflects in my work. I only get paid for that once. You're giving up time in your life to go to work and not really be happy. I mean, you can make all the money you want. That's not going to fix the problem. I want to help you be successful. Success isn't about having one niche. Being yourself is always best. I've let that shine through, and once you've made those initial sales and use the feedbacks to refine and scale your process and your workflow process as well, and how serious you're going to take this, because there's a little bit of work to get involved, but does it have to seem like work? No, not when it's around stuff that you enjoy, or maybe you don't enjoy it. You just know there's a high demand because you did the research part in my course. And you're seeing like, dang, like top creators here are making like 10 grand a month. What happens if you created a program that just fell somewhere in the middle? Cool, right? Now let's keep making programs. You don't need to be the niche to be successful. Each course can address a different problem. Every course you create is another revenue stream you're setting yourself up for. Could there be times when I first started and didn't have an extensive portfolio that I saw sales gaps? Sure. But then that's why there's training within my program to help you with any time you hit a sales gap, or let's just say you have more time than the busy dad, the busy mom, aspiring entrepreneur, course creator, whatever, to take it upon yourself to do a little bit of your own marketing. We got some hands-on stuff in there too, but it's not mandatory. It's up to you. I teach it because I'm good at it. It's my superpower. I can be creative by helping others be creative. Can't do any art. The more problems you solve, the more income streams you create. Your first course is just the start. Your first sale will light up like money signs in your eyes. When I got my first sale, and like I said, it doesn't matter how much it was. The point was, it could have been a couple bucks. I was like, I need everybody to understand, I just got paid for some shit I did once. It was awesome because somebody in India, I provided value. They got there. They bought from me. You could do the same. It's 9 o'clock at night, man. We're out in the field all day creating content for people. I'm running ads, doing photography. Sometimes we get sought after for content creation by referrals. We did a couple senior photos for clients and them. But what I'm saying is I'm at the end of my energy here. So you're going to get this. And then I think I'm in the late night gym because that's just what I want to do. And then after gym, either sometimes I'm going to be laying there in my bed after doing gym late night, and my heart's still racing. Why am I so sweaty? Or I pass out right away. Course Income Accelerator, check it out. I have free training, Zero Marketing Income Formula, leveraging course marketplaces. I explain a little bit of how it's done, but you should get the blueprint that will help you streamline your success in a very quick amount of time. And then from there, it will help you have connection with me through email. In case you fall or stumble, I can be there. Once I turn this into something bigger, all my previous students will get an invite for a discount because they blessed me. So I'll bless you in return. Anyways, Course Income Accelerator. If not, use these free tips. Get over your limiting beliefs. Go crush that. Kick some ass. That's what I'm dedicating a lot to on this channel, plus me, who I am, what I do, personal experiences. I hope you're down because you're stuck with me. Why am I so sweaty?